NMMC Triple E Unit 1 Solution of algebraic and transcendental equations. Lesson 2. Problem 2. Find a real root of the equation x log x base 10 is equal to 1.2, which lies between 2 and 3 by using bisection method. Solution: f of x is equal to x log x base 10 minus 1.2. f of 2 minus 5.9 less than 0. f of 3.23 greater than 0. Here a root lies between 2 and 3, positive, negative, 2 and 3. x0 is equal to 2, x1 is equal to 3. By bisection method, bisection method, x2 is equal to x0 plus x1 by 2, 2 plus 3 by 2, 2.5. Now f of 2.5 minus 0.205 less than 0. The root lies between 2.5 and 3. Latest negative, latest positive. x3 2.5 plus 3 by 2. Average of those two values 2.75. Function value at 2.75 is 0.0081. 6 for greater than 0 positive. Now the root lies between nearest negative and positive, that is 2.75 and 2.5. Now find x4, average of these two. Function value we get negative. The root lies between nearest negative and positive, that is 2.625 and 2.75. x5 is equal to 2. Average of these two values 2.6875. f of 2.6875 is minus 0.046, that is less than 0. The root lies between 2.6875 and 2.75. Now x6 is equal to 2.6875 plus 2.75 by 2, 2.7188. f of 2.7188 is equal to minus 0.019 less than 0. The root lies between 2.7188 and 2.75. So x7 is equal to average of those two values. 2 bisection means midpoint. Midpoint means average. 2.7344 f of x7 minus 0.005 less than 0. The root lies between 2.7188 and 2.75. So x7 is good average of those two. F of x7 minus 0.005, which is less than 0. So the root lies between 2.7344 and 2.75 x8. Average of those two values 2.7227. F of x8 is equal to minus 0.015 less than 0. The root lies between 2.7227 and 2.75. x9, average of these two, we get 2.72363. So x8 and x9 are equal up to 3 decimal places. So the desired root is 2.7227, which lies between 2 and 3. Find real root of the equation. 3x is equal to e power x by using bisection method. Solution. F of x is equal to e power x minus 3x. F of 0 is equal to 1 greater than 0. F of 1 is equal to 2.7131 minus 3. So this is negative, less than 0. Small number minus big number, negative. A root lies between x0 is equal to 0 and x1 is equal to 1. Using bisection method, your x2 is equal to x0 plus x1 by 2. So 0.5. F of x2 is equal to 0.1487. That is greater than 0. The root lies between 0.5 and 1. 0.5 and 1. x3 is equal to 0.5 plus 1 by 2. 0.75. F of x5 is equal to 0.0676 greater than 0. The root lies between 0.5625 and 0.625. Latest positive, latest negative. That is your observation. So x6 is equal to average of these two, 0.5938. fx6 is equal to f of 0.5938, nothing but positive greater than 0. The root lies between 0.625 and 0.5938. So x7 is equal to average of those two, 0.6094. 0.6094. F of 0.6094 is equal to 0.0111 greater than 0. The root lies between 0.625 and 0.6094. x8, average of these two. F of x8 positive, the root lies between 0.625 and 0.6172. x9, 0.625 plus 0.6172 by 2, 0.6211, that is greater than 0. The root lies between 0.625 and 0.6211. x10, average of those two. F of x10 less than 0. The root lies between latest negative, latest positive. So x10, average of those two. x9, x10 are equal up to 3 decimal places. Therefore, root of the equation is 0.622. Problem 4. Find a positive root of x cube minus x minus 1 equal to 0 by using bisection method. Solution. F of x is equal to x cube minus x minus 1. F of 1 minus 1 less than 0. F of 2 is equal to 5 greater than 0. Therefore, a root lies between 1 and 2. Table method. Serial number negative, we get negative function value at which value? That is A. We get positive function value at which value? That is B. A negative means we get function value negative at what value? B positive means we get positive function value at, that is B. So small x is equal to A plus B by 2, bisection method. F of x sin. So serial number, you know, 1 2 3 4 5 6, don't worry. Now 1 2, we get negative at 1, so A 1, we get positive at 2, B 2, x average, function value 0.75 positive, you write this function, this x value in positive 1.5, you continue negative as it is, 1.25 minus 0.2968 negative. So next you write 1.25 here, we get negative, positive 1.5 as it is. So x value 1.375, function value 0.246 positive. So you write this value as B, you continue A, x, f of x negative, you write this value as A, you continue B, x value, f of x value positive. So you take this value under B, A same, x value 1.328125, function value positive, you write this value under B, A as it is, x value. So up to 2 decimal places equal. So the root of the equation is 1.32. Therefore, a root of the equation up to 2 decimal places is 1.32. Find a real root of the equation 3x is equal to cos x plus 1 by bisection method. Solution: f of x is equal to cos x minus 3x plus 1. F of 0, 2 greater than 0. F of 1 negative. A root lies between 0 and 1. Tabular form. Serial number A, we get negative function value at A, we get positive function value, that is B. X is equal to A plus B divided by 2, f of x sin. So we get negative value at 1, so A is 1. We get positive value at 0, so B 0. X value A plus B by 2, 0.05. Function value 0.3775 positive. So you write this value as B. You write A value 1 as it is. Find x, f of x negative. You write this value as A. You write B as it is. Find x, function value negative. You write this value as A. B write as it is. X value, function value. So like that you find the values here. After 3 decimals the values are equal. So a root of the equation is 0.606.